A plugin for cryptocurrency wallets has turned into an entire on-chain ecosystem. And there's even a cryptocurrency token airdrop in the mix. Cryptocurrency is a $1 trillion industry, and it's still in its infant stage. It's continuing to grow year over year. And that's why a utility project with a utility token piques my interest. Hey, I'm Drew Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel, where I'm always trying to learn more and earn more with cryptocurrency. You may recognize this logo. It's WalletConnect. You may have used WalletConnect before. WalletConnect makes it easy to use DApps, decentralized applications, and they have a cryptocurrency airdrop with the WalletConnect token, WCT. With the token comes a foundation, the WalletConnect Foundation. Purpose, growth, security, and decentralization of the WalletConnect network. Huge shout out to them for decentralizing the cryptocurrency ecosystem, supporting the VoskCoin YouTube channel, and lowering the barrier to entry to just use crypto and Web 3.0. They've been building since 2018, and only recently have they focused on launching their own token, to the point where over half a decade later, their project is finally ready to take the next steps, reinforcing it's not some kind of token cash grab, VC dump. The WalletConnect network boasts that they're the backbone of Web3, enabling over 255 million connections, and they're on track to hit over 45 million users worldwide. 54,000 apps linked to over 500 wallets on basically every chain. I'm not trying to overhype it, but that's impressive, seriously. And remember, this isn't a shill or an endorsement. I'm not telling you to buy their coin. You do whatever you want to do. As always, get out there and do your own research. Come to your own conclusions. With WalletConnect's most recent data roundup, which they published in the beginning of this month, their total connections soared to 274 million, up 18 million month over month. Unique wallets increased from 4.9%, rising from 40.7 million 2 months ago to 42.7 million last month. And to be frank, the market's been kind of rough lately. So to see that much increase in a difficult market is impressive. A 28% year over year increase, growing from 3.1 million 2024 to 4 million this time in 2025, which not only shows growth, but acceleration. The number of apps using WalletConnect rose from 58.9 thousand to 61.5 thousand. WCT token holders and stakers increased. There's over 100 million staked tokens and over 300,000 WCT or WalletConnect token holders. Looking at the wallets that are actually using the WalletConnect app, it's going to be Trust Wallet coming in at number 1, metamask coming in at number 2, BitGet Wallet coming in at number 3, the OKX Wallet coming in at number 4, and the Binance Wallet coming in at number 5. What's the basic tokenomics of the WCT token, and why did WalletConnect launch a token, right? So it's on Optimism, layer 2 chain, EVM on top of Ethereum. The tokenomics break down 27% to the WalletConnect Foundation, 18.5% to the airdrop, 18.5% to the team, 17.5% to rewards, 11.5% to previous backers, and 7% to core development. What are they going to do with this token? What's the point of it, right? It's a utility token that will function for fees. At the time of writing, they do not charge applications or SDKs fees for using their relay services. However, due to the cost of providing this service, privacy preserving, censorship resistant, they do not sell data or gatekeep the system, but there may be a future implementation of a fee structure based on community governance here, per CoinGecko's write-up on this. The rewards break down that a continuous reward program powered by WCT token. This will incentivize active participation in the network, encourage long-term commitment to participate, ensure network security and efficiency, and support overall growth. They will also reward node providers or operators with tokens, including an initial drop of 100,000 tokens and then continuous rewards based on node activity. This token just started trading on actually very many cryptocurrency exchanges. Put into perspective, 100,000 tokens, WCTs, at the time of recording this, is worth about $40,000. It's up 38% from its tracked low 2 days ago, but it's down 38% from its all-time high 1 day ago. Commanding market cap tracked on CoinGecko is $72 million and a 24-hour trading volume of 266 million. The initial supply of WCT is capped at 1 billion tokens. And we can see that max supply right here. You've probably used WalletConnect without even realizing it. WalletConnect really boomed alongside Solana gaining huge momentum. The irony is that they're an optimism token, but most of the Solana apps or decentralized applications DApps have WalletConnect built in. Let's say I want to use the ever controversial pump fund. WalletConnect is an option. And they're starting to get some buzz because a lot of people will like and use the tool, and that's fine, that's one thing, but nothing gets people buzzing more than tokens, them going up in price, that tribal mentality, and just the fact that unfortunately people are obsessed and ruled by money. So if number go up, we write an article, we make a video. WalletConnect token WCT rallies 36% on back of Upbit exchange listing, among many other listings, and even just being tracked on, say, things like CoinGecko and so forth. But forget about Upbit. Binance listing, Bybit, OKX, BitGet. It's on Kraken. It's on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. At the time of the article, the market cap was closer to 100 million. It's pulled back some since then. Is Upbit the lifesaver? Sounds like CoinSpeaker sponsored by him, if you ask me. Personally, I'm pretty excited about WalletConnect and especially their token because I want to see more major cryptocurrency dApps and tools and plugins and whatever launch a token. A cryptocurrency token opens up an avenue for an average guy like me to invest in that project, to support it, to get exposure. Right? We look at all these different things, all these different companies, all these different whatever, and there's no way to buy in. You may find a local restaurant and you think, man, this is incredible. They're going to go places. But you don't have an option to get monetary exposure. You may use WalletConnect and be like, wow, this is fantastic. That was such a good experience. That made crypto easy. That made crypto fast. And maybe with those things, I was able to make crypto profitable. I would love to basically bet on their success, to invest in their success, to contribute to their ecosystem through monetary means of buying the crypto token. This opens up that avenue. Pre-sale. How about an authentic airdrop to your early community, since they had some early funding and otherwise bootstrapped the project, and then open up those exposure avenues. I'm here for it. I'm about it. I love it. And what you'll see now, competitors thinking, do we need to launch our own project? Do we need to launch our own token? Are they just going to run away with the interest in the market? If you buy into this project, why wouldn't you also focus on using it to support it? And maybe you'll start tweeting about it. You'll make a YouTube video about it. You'll create a write-up on it. You'll create the next microphone shouting about how this project is great for you because of XYZ. And to be frank, you'll be more inclined for the simple fact that you have a monetary incentive, that you're monetarily incentivized with their success, in addition to maybe just being a really happy user. That's what I'm thinking. That's where my head's at. And that's why I find this really interesting. I'm all for it. And having personally used WalletConnect numerous times through the years, it was always a good experience. It always worked. And to put it simply, I'm thankful for things that have worked well for years in crypto, because if you've been here a while, you'll know that it wasn't always smooth sailing. It was oftentimes very difficult. It's crazy to say this. The old baseline evaluation for cryptocurrencies launching, and this was back before everybody could make tokens, right? They were forking actual coins that were mineable with blockchains and so forth. Do they have a website? Do they have a working wallet? That was the bare minimum. That's where we started. That's what it was like in the trenches back then. So hey, what do I know? I'm still in the trenches, baby. I'm Drew Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. This is Tales, 10 seconds Tales on every video. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you, and hope to see you on the next video.